Do you have a beginner chef in your life? I have a couple of great resources. Hey Credos! Back in the day, all the girls in junior high took home ec, at least 2 semesters. And almost all the boys took a wood shop. Things have really changed over the years, but everyone needs basic home skills. I want to share a couple of great basic cooking resources with you. This is a book we've had since 2009. We got it as some of our kids began getting older. It's Betty Crocker Cooking Basics. Now, who could be more basic than Betty Crocker, right? I love this book for a few reasons. Let me show you. First of all, it's a spiral-bound book, which means you can open it to any place and it will lie flat on your table. Every cookbook really should be that way. This book approaches cooking like a home ec class. Starts with the basics of getting started, and I mean really basic. How to understand and read a recipe, how to measure ingredients, basic food prep techniques, basic things you need in the kitchen, basic tools and supplies you need in the kitchen, how to set a table. Then it has categorized chapters for recipes like a typical cookbook. Main dish salads, sandwiches and soups, pasta favorites, main dishes, grilling, side salads and veggies, snacks and sweets, and then it has 3 get-together menus when you're ready to branch out and maybe try to entertain in a simple and manageable way. For example, a weekend brunch menu. The recipes are ham and cheese strata, mixed fresh fruit salad, and blueberry muffins. And then it gives you a timeline and organization for how to prepare a meal for a group. Lots of colorful pictures. A great start in your cooking journey. The next book is How to Boil Water, Life Beyond Takeout. We bought this book for my son's 19th birthday. He didn't ever have home ec. None of my kids had home ec. But this is a great start, and let me tell you why I love this book as well. This book has a range of recipes from very simple to much more complex. But the great thing about it is it has lots of description and lots of illustrations to show you very specifically, like how to cut a bagel. So if you're really new to cooking, this doesn't assume you have a background that you might not have. Rather than just a typical recipe card recipe, the descriptions are very specific and laid out so you don't miss a step. The chapters in this book include breakfast, snacks, sandwiches, soups, salads, noodles, chicken, beef, pork and lamb, fish, beans and grains, vegetables and desserts. And it has basic cooking know-how in this. If you have a teenager or adult, help them gain important life skills. Take a cookbook, some basic ingredients, some supplies, maybe a fun apron and a toque, and you have a great gift. The last thing I want to mention is if you're an adult and you don't have basic skills or knowledge in cooking or anything, don't be afraid to go back to beginner level. That's really how you're going to learn best. Don't be ashamed to learn basics, whatever age you are. Thanks for watching all the way through. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo. And join us in the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis. And we're learning to make great food.